Are you into application security? If you follow me, probably you are. And if you want to discover the latest and greatest about application security, join us at Global Application Security Conference in San Francisco on the 25th to the 27th. Phoenix Security is going to present a fantastic series of events starting on the 25th with a workshop on the vulnerability management framework, part of the Building Resilient Application Security Program book and community, and together with the Cyber Risk Defender Club community. You can learn all about measuring your application security program, the progress of your team, and together with myself, Brooks, and others will present individual workshop to mature your application security program with data-driven approach and metrics that matters. And then join us on the 26th and 27th at the main conference, where we'll have fantastic prizes, swag with the Cyber Risk Defender Club, book signing from yours truly on the Building Resilient Application Security Program, as well as a fantastic book signed by Adam Shorshack on his latest threat modeling and Star Wars. And on that theme, we're gonna also offer 3 fantastic prizes on the official limited edition Star Wars Lego set. And as a very special prize for the last day, we're going to announce the winner of a fantastic lightsaber, official lightsaber with sounds and effects, battle ready, but please stay safe there. So join us at the Global Application Security Conference in San Francisco on the 25th, 26th, and 27th of September in San Francisco from OWASP. So stay safe out there, join the Cyber Risk Defender Club, and goodbye.